Yo, is there a need to fast when you're taking a magic mushroom journey? What do you think? Well, let me just talk about, like, I guess all the stuff that they say, right? Or what we think. We think, yeah, I'm taking a magic mushroom journey, so of course I need to fast. Or maybe everybody doesn't think like that. Maybe just the super spiritual people think like that, the super conscious, right? You know what I'm talking about, right? The people with the beads, the crystals. Yeah. I'm kind of talking about myself, but you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. They're like, of course, brother, you should fast, because when you fast, the water connects you to the moon and you're more in tune and ready to receive what this sacred medicine plant from the ancient ancestors is ready to bestow on us. I felt like I was kind of going to a spoken word piece, right? Like, just about to talk. Yeah, but they're like that. They always talking to okay, sorry. Back to the fasting. Yes. So, is there a need to? No, there's no need to fast. There's no need to fast. Think about this fungus, whatever language. Fungi, yeah, plural, I don't know. Fungi has been here for a long time, millions of years before fucking humans. So they're very resilient. And if they lasted that long on the earth before humans were even a thought, then I think that they're able to cut through some alcohol and potato chips and shit that you got in your stomach, right? I'm just saying. But no matter what, I'm a person that I love to experiment. I love to explore. You know what I mean? And I use myself to test it out, because that experience becomes truth, becomes my truth. Doesn't matter about what you read, what you hear. You need to test it for self, and then that becomes something you can actually stand on. So based on all my experiments, I've done the fasted thing. Majority of time before, it was fasted. But even sometimes fasted, I've had shrooms hit me and shrooms not hit me. And that was like puzzling, like, okay, why isn't it hitting me? But I know that the strain is powerful. But whatever the case, then there's other times that I've ate 3 hours, 4 hours before taking that shroom journey, and it still hit me. And there were times that I didn't even think about taking a journey. It wasn't something that I prepared to do, but I've ate and I had some drinks in my system, and it was damn near right after, hey, you know what? I'm in the zone. You're in the zone. Hey, yeah, let's take some shrooms. It's very different when you have them available, because you do what you do, So even then, tons of food in my system, drinks in my system, burning, and just decided just to take shrooms. They still. And maybe sometimes that even hit me harder than my fasted journey. So, yeah, the whole need for fasting on a magic mushroom journey, bullshit, debunked. Don't worry about it, all right?